Perceptual barrier, last one. Okay, this most common problem is that the people have different opinion barrier. Opinion barrier. Okay, my opinions is not liked by others, or your opinions is not liked. There is creating some barriers. It's the very perceptions of every individual. There is some techniques or some plan. Okay, plan accepting plan the some person plan is not accepting by some seniors. Okay, juniors that good plan is not accepted by the senior people. Like that, there is some creating some barriers, and the varied perception of thinking or perception of planning that some program and every individual gives rise to need for effective communication. We all have our own preference, values, attitudes, origins, life experience that act as filters on our experiences of people, events, and information. Okay, see, in the people, they're attending to some event, there is filter. Okay, filter, you know the filter term, there is filtering the everyone, every good. For example, taking water filter water, there's filtering the water. That means that will remove all the waste and all the microorganisms in the water and give the pure water. Like that, filters, first one, basic first filter is sort out. Okay, short out. Okay, in the event, what is the first one? Welcome speech. Next, what is that one? Like that, there's some program events filtering the good or filtering the bad. Like that, there is a perceptual barrier. Now, for example, my experience of my event, my information is not like by others. There is some, they need some filtering, or they seem some creating some perception barrier. What are the causes? Difference in understanding, difference in perception of reality, and difference in values, attitudes. You can see the picture. Okay, someone is showing the, there is some in the upside and someone is the downside. It's like her and like dislike. Okay, dislike, showing the likes and dislike. It's not liking their work, it's not liking him work. Like that, there is creating some perception. How to overcome? Start by listening to others. Okay, start by listening to others. First listen others ideas and the other plan, others plan, and clarify if there is any confusion. Clarify. First 10 minutes, first total there are 20 minutes meeting, 10 minutes for you, 10 minutes for your friend. Like that, first 10 minutes you have to listen carefully. After listening, if there any confusion or any clarity, if you want any clarity in that meeting, you have to ask it again. Here say there is some confusion, please clarify this one. Like that, and stay calm and be positive, and stay calm after listening, after clarifying your doubt, after clearing your doubts. You have to sit simply and you just think in yourself. Don't fighting with your friend. Think yourself and stay calm and be positive. Stay calm. Okay, that is the barriers of communication and also techniques.